Best app for zip files on Android. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best app for zip files on your Android phone. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for zip files like this, and here you will find many options. There is the paid ones and the free ones. And the paid ones like this one, it is a great app, easy to use, but it's for money. You need to pay $2 to get this one. And if you want a free one, you have also some options like this zip and unzip tool. It has 10 million downloads, and it is also good for the zip files. You have also the Z archiver and those two. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.